Okay, Math Club book, part 4. Alright, so this is right after their math energy. They used it. Sweet dreams, Lube Man. Okay, so let's continue the story. Okay, in the last installment, Lube was overcome by the use of the Math Club's energy. So I'll continue the story now. It got very quiet in the forest. Then there was a loud thud. Boom. Lube had fallen asleep on the green grass. He had lost his math energy. The Math Club felt their energy get stronger. Suddenly, the sky turned silver and gold, and they looked up, and it was Zaraz. Excellent! You have defeated Lube. Now cut off a lock of his hair and put it in the math box. And poof, the math box appeared. Multi then took a lock of Lube's hair and put it in the box. The math box glowed for a few seconds. Oh, gee, what do we do now? Said Addit. Patience, Addit, patience. You must go to the cave of Count T Numbers. He is a math vampire. You must capture his 7-bat. Do you understand? Go to the next page. So, Edit, a little worried at this point. He just wants to go to Logica. Oh, it all sounds too scary. Can't you just take us to Logica? And Zaraz, I'm afraid not, Addit. You must earn it. And Des the Divider, oh, I must say that I'm a little scared of bats. Just how do we catch this 7-bat? And Zaraz, why, you catch it by using math, Des. The bat will give you more math energy. Then you will get closer to Logica. At this point, Zaraz disappeared in a puff of blue smoke. It was now up to the Math Club to find the cave of Count T Numbers. And Multi said, so this is totally uncool. Now we gotta catch this bat with a 7 on it. Not cool at all. But we have no choice, so let's get started. And so the Math Club all started to walk through the forest. And next page. So the Math Club walked and walked. They walked past fields of green grass, silver rivers, and rainbow mountains. As they walked, Addit whistled. Kid S danced. Multi dreamed, and Des counted the clouds in the sky. And they started doing math very quickly. And they started singing songs with their math. And it said 3 plus 1 is 4, but I'll tell you more. 3 plus 3 is 6, and I don't use any tricks. Boom, boom. And there's Kid S. 5 minus 3 is 2. Boom, boom. This is so true. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now I'm having fun. Subtraction is quite fun. Boom. And then we go to Multi's little song. 4 times 2 is 8. Isn't it great? 5 times 2 is 10. Shall I do it again? And then finally there was the divider singing his song. 9 divided by 3 is 3, easy as climbing a tree. 12 divided by 6 is 2, see what I can do. And so the math club, they practiced their math as they walked through the fields and through the mountains and over the rivers. And they kept walking, and they kept learning all about math, everything they needed to do. Okay, so let's go to the next page now. Let's zoom out. And now, the next part of the story. The cave. The cave of Count T numbers. But before the cave, the song made the math club feel better. Their math energy went back to normal. But by now it was starting to get very dark outside. Soon it was pitch black. Yikes, Adit said. It's so dark that I can't see anything. And the Kid S said, Great. What do we do now? And Adit said, We have to think of math. We need our math energies to light up this dark place. So the math club thought of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then, boom, presto! Adit's hair turned red and yellow as always when his math energy was at its peak. Multi's sign, well, it turned red. Des, well, Des changed. Des became purple. And the subtraction shades of Kid S became rainbow colored. This is what happens when they use their math energy. They change. And by using their math energy, the darkness disappeared. And they could see everything clearly again. Now the only question remained was finding the cave of Count T numbers and getting the 7 bat and putting it in the math box so that they could earn another step toward their trip to Logica. Okay, and that's the end of part 4. So we'll come back with part 5 next. Thank you.